Hi beautiful people, this is the hairstyle you guys will be seeing. If you love to see how I achieve this lovely braid, keep watching, do not skip. So guys, this is the hair I'll be using expression products, and I'll be using color BG and color 35. So this particular one I'm using color BG and 35, like I said. So first thing to do is to cut the extension, and that's what I'm doing here. I divide the hair into two without cutting it though. After opening it from the back, you divide it into two, then you cut one part into four while the other part is cutting five. So after cutting it, you go ahead and you shove it out, then comb it, and that's what I'm doing here. This is the cutting four while the other one is cutting five. Can you see guys? So this is the cutting five here. So let me show you guys. This one is cutting four. You can see this one is longer while this one is cutting five. Can you see guys? So now after when I'm done with this particular color, I'll keep it aside, then go ahead and cut the other color, which is color 35. This one is cutting 6. You can use any of your favorite color, but use this method of cutting it. This one is cutting 6, this color 35. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial. This is my client's hair. Her hair is natural. The hair is washed already and moisturized. So I'm using box braid method to achieve this knotless braid. Just pay attention and you guys will love the outcome of the braid. Hello my beautiful people, once again welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thank you so very much for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, that means you are new here. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, this is the knotless braid. I'm using box braid method. So this particular one is tight braid. You can depend on what your client wants. This one, my client wants it tight, and that's exactly what I'm doing. This is tight braid. So after braiding it, you go ahead and you begin to add the other color. Can you see guys? So make sure you get the length that you want before you started adding the other color. So this particular braid is a kind of braid that is not equal. Yes, it's not equal. You guys will see what I'm saying. So after braiding it, you go ahead and you begin to knot it, and that's what I'm doing here. So as you are knotting the braid, make sure you knot it very well. Make sure the knot is tight to avoid it losing while you are trying to put it inside water and to make it last longer. Yes, can you see the way I'm knotting it? Make sure you knot it well. After the knot, you just use your hand to lock it very well, and this is the outcome of the knot. Can you see guys? That's how you keep going with this lovely braid. So I started with the long extension. As I'm braiding it, I started with the cutting 4. So as I'm braiding it, as the hair is getting to the middle and getting to the front, I'll be using cutting 5 because we don't want it equal. Yes, that's how my client wants it. She doesn't want the braid to be equal. So guys, that's how I keep going with this lovely braid. Can you see guys? So make sure you braid it to the tip so that you'll be able to achieve a professional knot. Can you see guys? So after the braiding, you knot it. That's how you keep going with this lovely braid. Please let me know in a comment section if this video is helpful. Leave a comment in the comment section. Share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring, and these are the one I've done so far guys. Can you see? Yes, they are not equal. Yes, can you see guys? They are not equal. That's how I keep going using box braid method. And this particular one, As you're braiding knotless, you don't have to start with extension. As a professional, you start with the natural hair before adding extension. So you can use any of your favorite gel, but this particular one I'm using Shine and Jam. Yes, that's I keep going with this lovely braid. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love the braid. And like I keep saying, if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to upload your request. Yes, so this is how you achieve the knot. Can you see, guys? Make sure you measure it. Like the first row, you measure it, make sure they are equal before you move on to another part. So the first line should be equal. Can you see, guys? So as you're braiding it, the knots keep jumping up because they are not equal. Yes, can you see? These are the one I've done so far. So guys, that's how you keep braiding this lovely knotless braid. And this is the final one that I'm doing here. Can you see? I'm almost done. After the braiding, I'll just go ahead and trim the hair. Can you see, guys? So when you're trying to braid this knotless braid on natural hair, make sure you hide the natural hair very well so that it won't get rough on time and your client will be able to carry it for long. Make sure you secure the natural hair while you are trying to braid it. So guys, I'm done. This is the final braid. Can you see, guys? So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and trim the hair, and that's what I'm doing here. So make sure you take your time to trim the hair because trimming is part of braiding. Like if you trim the hair very well, you'll see the results. So after the trimming, I boil water, then I put the hair inside water just to calm the braid down and to make it relax. So after that, this one at the front, because they are very short, I cannot put it inside water together with the whole hair, so I do that one separately. Can you see? So after that, I go ahead and apply my hair mousse. As you all know what hair mousse does in braid, and if you don't know, please let me know in the comment section, then I will tell you guys what, because it's not everybody that knows what hair mousse does in a braid. So after applying the hair mousse, I go ahead and style the hair. My client says she wants something beautiful, so I keep some at the back while I try to pack the middle one like chuku. Then I use rubber band to secure it. Then I use one single braid to wrap it up. This is the final look of the braid, guys. Can you see? The braid is beautiful. Like, so the one that at the front just fall. Can you see? This is lovely. My clients love this braid. So let me know what you guys think about this braid. Let me know in the comment section. Leave a comment, share to your friends and family, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye. I love you all.